That Greek yogurt you think is healthy? It might be feeding the exact bacteria causing your bloating, brain fog, and digestive issues. Some of the so-called healthiest foods on your plate are secretly destroying your gut, and no one is talking about it. In this video, we'll expose 10 popular foods that are wrecking your microbiome, why they're doing it, and what to eat instead. Number 3 is especially shocking, and you probably eat it every single day. Your gut isn't just a digestive tube. It has an intelligent ecosystem of over 100 trillion microbes, influencing everything from your immune system to your mood. This is your gut microbiome, and keeping it balanced is one of the most important things you can do for your long-term health. But here's the catch. The foods marketed as healthy, low-fat, sugar-free, natural, are often full of chemicals, preservatives, and fibers that feed the wrong kind of bacteria. When that balance tips, you get gas, bloating, inflammation, and eventually, a condition called leaky gut, where harmful substances actually pass through your intestinal lining into your bloodstream. And no, you don't need to be eating junk food for this to happen. Your health food may be doing it quietly. 1. Flavored Greek yogurt. Yes, yogurt can be great for your gut, but not the flavored kind. Most commercial Greek yogurts are loaded with added sugar, sometimes more than a can of soda. And sugar is the #1 fuel for pathogenic bacteria and yeast like Candida. What to eat instead? Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, preferably with live cultures. Add your own berries or cinnamon for taste. 2. Whole wheat bread. Whole grains are healthy, right? Not always. Modern wheat is hybridized and contains high levels of gluten and anti-nutrients like phytic acid, which can irritate the gut lining and block nutrient absorption. Plus, many whole wheat products contain emulsifiers and preservatives that disrupt gut flora. Alternative: real sourdough bread, fermented, or breads made from ancient grains like spelt, einkorn, or millet. 3. Fruit juice. Yes, even 100% juice. You're drinking vitamins and feeding bad bacteria. Even pure fruit juice spikes blood sugar rapidly, and high-sugar environments feed harmful microbes, promoting imbalance and inflammation. Most juices are stripped of fiber, which means nothing slows the absorption. This can lead to blood sugar crashes and microbiome chaos. Better option: eat whole fruits with fiber, or drink water infused with lemon, cucumber, or mint. They're often filled with artificial sweeteners like sucralose, sugar alcohols like erythritol, and isolated soy protein, all of which can irritate the gut lining and disrupt your microbiome. Some also contain emulsifiers and preservatives that harm gut bacteria and increase inflammation markers. Instead, go for whole food snacks, boiled eggs, handful of walnuts, or homemade energy bites with dates, nuts, and seeds. 5. Granola looks like a clean, natural breakfast, but is often a sugary trap. Most store-bought granolas contain high amounts of sugar, refined oils, and puffed grains, which spike blood sugar and feed dysbiosis, microbial imbalance. Plus, the crunchy texture is often achieved by baking with seed oils that become oxidized, leading to gut irritation and systemic inflammation. Choose unsweetened, homemade-style granola with sprouted oats, coconut oil, and minimal dry fruit, or better yet, swap for chia pudding with berries. 6. Vegetable oils, canola, soy, corn. You want to find them on a food label, but they're hiding in almost everything. Highly refined seed oils like canola, soy, and corn oil are rich in omega-6 fats, which, in excess, fuel inflammation and disrupt the gut lining. These oils are often used in healthy packaged foods like hummus, crackers, salad dressings, and baked snacks. Swap them for olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, fats that support the gut, not destroy it. 7. Artificial sweeteners, especially in diet products. Zero sugar doesn't always mean zero damage. Sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin have been shown in studies to negatively impact gut bacteria, reducing microbial diversity and increasing glucose intolerance. Even some natural ones like stevia and erythritol can cause bloating or discomfort in sensitive individuals. Use raw honey in moderation, pure monk fruit, or try going without sweeteners for a few weeks to reset your taste buds. 8. Flavored sparkling water. It's just water, right? Not always. Many flavored sparkling waters contain natural flavors, a vague term that can include additives and chemical compounds that irritate the gut or trigger reactions. Some people also experience bloating from carbonation, especially if they already have imbalanced digestion. Stick to plain mineral water or flavor it naturally with lemon, mint, or cucumber slices. 9. Plant-based meat alternatives. Not all fake meats are created equal, and many are gut nightmares. They often include textured soy protein, methylcellulose, industrial oils, gums, and other synthetic binders that the digestive system simply wasn't built to handle regularly. They may be plant-based, but that doesn't mean they're gut-friendly. Better option: real whole plant proteins like lentils, tempeh, or quinoa. Or stick to actual meat if your system handles it well. 10. Gluten-free packaged foods. Just because it's gluten-free doesn't mean it's healthy. Many gluten-free breads, crackers, and snacks are made with refined starches like tapioca, rice flour, and potato starch, which spike blood sugar and feed the wrong gut bacteria. They also often lack fiber and protein, leaving your digestion weak and unbalanced. Go for naturally gluten-free whole foods, sweet potatoes, buckwheat, or simply reduce reliance on packaged products entirely. So far, we've seen that healthy doesn't always mean gut-friendly. Coming up, we'll explore how these foods impact your entire system and how to reset your gut in just 3 days. You might think a little bloating or gas is normal, but it's often the first warning sign from your gut. When the foods you eat feed the wrong microbes, ones that produce toxins and inflammation, your gut lining begins to break down. That's called leaky gut. Leaky gut is when undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins pass through the gut wall and into your bloodstream, triggering immune reactions, skin issues, fatigue, brain fog, and even anxiety. Over time, this can lead to chronic inflammation, autoimmune conditions, metabolic slowdown, and mood instability. And the scary part? Most people have no idea it's happening because they're eating healthy. Here's how to reset your gut in just 3 days. No expensive detox kits, no weird supplements. Day 1. Remove and rest. Eliminate gut-irritating foods, sugar, gluten, dairy, processed oils, artificial sweeteners, and anything on the top 10 list. Eat simple: bone broth, steamed vegetables, wild salmon, herbal teas, no snacking. Give your gut time to rest between meals. Hydrate deeply. Add sea salt and lemon to your water. Day 2. Rebuild and balance. Add fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, or coconut yogurt, unsweetened. Eat prebiotic fibers: asparagus, leeks, garlic, green bananas. Move gently. Take a 20-minute walk to stimulate digestion. Use a journaling app like Dailyo to track how your gut and mind feel. Day 3. Strengthen and sustain Ki. A diversity of colorful veggies to feed different microbes include healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, walnuts. Try mindful eating. Chew slowly, breathe between bites. Consider a high-quality probiotic if needed. Consult your practitioner. By day 3, your gut will begin to calm, reset, and rebalance. And once you know what to avoid and what to feed your gut instead, everything changes. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe to HealthyHubOfficial for real health content that goes deeper. Which of the 10 foods surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And remember, your gut isn't just where food goes, it's where your health begins. Take care of it, and it will take care of you.